simple bamboo ceiling design ideas. Elevate your space with these charming and eco-friendly bamboo ceiling design ideas. In this video, discover a range of easy-to-implement techniques and creative inspirations for incorporating bamboo into your ceiling design. From rustic to modern aesthetics, explore the versatility of bamboo in enhancing the ambience of any room. Learn step-by-step DIY methods to install bamboo paneling or create stunning patterns using bamboo strips. Discover the beauty of natural materials and how they can transform your space into a tranquil haven. Whether you're aiming for a Zen-inspired retreat or a nature-infused ambience, these simple yet elegant bamboo ceiling designs will add warmth, character, and a touch of sustainable style to your home or space. Don't miss out on these innovative ideas. Watch the video now to revamp your ceiling with the organic allure of bamboo. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and creative home decor ideas. Let's make spaces beautiful together.
They're bringing anything to the table. Bro, I'm not your son, see I'm able. I do my own bits. Limited edition on some missing classic shit. I know that you're feeling it. Feel mad, cold nights feel heavy. Same place going in the heart of the city. Nitty gritty feels iffy and the eyes feel shifty. The shit we're in, yo, it's all mad risky.
All night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls. Bullshit dripping off the chin. All night long, but the feeling keeps kicking in. Beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin.